So in this video, we're going to be enabling Flathub to install Flatpaks on Fedora 26. Now the reason why I chose Fedora here is because it has Flatpak support right out the box. At this point, pretty much every distribution supports Flatpak in one way or another, but you usually have to install an external repo or the Flatpak package specifically. With Fedora, everything works right out of the box. So first what I'm going to do here is open up Gnome Software and verify in my software sources that I don't have it enabled. So now that I've verified that I don't have it, let's go ahead and get it. So if you go to the Flatpak website itself, there's a link to Flathub at the bottom. Another option is just go to Google and search for Flathub. The website is flathub.org, and assuming that you have Flatpak installed, you can install the repo straight from here. So one option is to install it from the command line, but we're going to install it through Gnome Software. Now if you watched my other Fedora videos on installing software, this is pretty much the exact same process that you use to install RPM Fusion. We're going to download and open the repository file and install the repository itself through Gnome Software. The integration here is slick as hell, really polished stuff. Once the repo's been installed and the button says remove, check your software sources again and make sure that you have an additional source called Flathub. It'll say no software installed from this source. That's because we haven't actually installed anything yet. So let's do it. First let's search for Builder. Now in this list you'll notice that there are duplicate entries for Glade and Builder. One says Source Fedora Project, the other says Flathub. So let's click the one that says flathub.org, and we go to the bottom, it'll say Source flathub.org, so we know we're looking at the right one. Let's go ahead and install it. Now also notice that it's beginning the install and it did not ask me for sudo. That's because this is a trusted source, I think. Now if you're familiar with Flatpaks, you may look for software that is distributed via Flatpak, but not find it in the sources. Just because an application is distributed as a Flatpak does not mean it's available on Flathub. MonoDevelop is a great example. Over the past year or two, they've changed their distribution model to only distribute the Linux package via Flatpak. Strangely enough though, it's not available on Flathub, so you have to go to the website, download the Flatpak itself, and install it that way. Kinda weird, but some packages are just like that. So by this point, our Builder Flatpak should be installed, or almost installed. And there we go, now it's installed. So we can launch it from here in Gnome Software, and now we're running Gnome Builder installed from Flathub. The latest version is 3.26.1. Now if you're not familiar with Flatpak applications, you can't run them the same way you can with a normal application from the command line. The package is called Gnome Builder, but if you want to run it from the command line, you have to do flatpak run and then org.gnome.builder. And of course in GNOME it registers itself like any other desktop application, so you can find it in the activities menu. But I think that wraps this video up. If you like this video, go ahead and leave a like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate all your support, and thanks for watching.